Welcome back to Gen 1. Today I'm back on the 99 Volvo S40, and the client that was borrowing this was complaining about the air coming out of the vents. It smelled a little bit. So I'm sure that the cabin filter hasn't been changed in a long time. I looked in the manual and it just says it must be changed every 15,000 miles. Doesn't say anything about how to do it. I'm quite familiar on how to do a lot of these anyhow. So most of these are in the glove compartment. You access it through the glove compartment. This one here, you access it from down below. So I'm going to pull it out, I'm going to blow it off and pop it back in there. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we've got two Phillips screws that we have to remove. And like I've said before, this is always easier when you're not trying to film it. Because normally I'd be on that side of the vehicle. So you want to remove those. And you're going to drop down this little insulated pan here. So then you just take this little tab there, just like that. Now look at the stuff that's in there already. You should be able to reach in there and pull that filter right out of there. Oh yeah. Okay. So that might have something to do with why it's not blowing out so well, and it does kind of smell. So let's go ahead and we're just going to blow this out because I do not have a replacement at the moment, and the client wants us back as soon as possible. We're going to go ahead and take the vacuum cleaner and vacuum this all out. Okay, so I blew it off for it as best I could, so let's go ahead and put it back in. I'll order a new one. Slide that back up there like that. Go ahead and put the clamp on. I'm sorry, the bracket. That just slipped in like that. And there we go. And now let's just go ahead and reverse the process and put this all back in. How does that go? Like this. Oh yeah, a whole lot better. It's pulling on some nice cool air. As far as the smell, I really can't smell anything. Probably immune to it now. But anyways, normally you put a new one in there. I did not have it, so I just kind of blew it out, vacuumed it all up, and popped it back in there. So it's just to kind of get it going for the rest of the day and the week for the shoots that we're doing with it. And then once a new one comes in, then we'll pop it in. Well, hope this helps you with your 99 Volvo S40, and we'll see you on the next one.